Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. On the ADA chart, still we're waiting for eventually another bear market low. At least it appears likely due to this sideways correction, this triangle shape. Again, you can see it actually quite clearly on this chart. We have a 3-wave move up, a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, a 3-wave move down. It all looks very corrective, so all we need for a complete Elliott wave triangle, and bear in mind they can always extend if they have to, but all we need for the minimum requirements to complete an Elliott wave triangle is basically just one more lower high in this E wave. We've got two support areas, or no, not two support areas, two target areas. Price did get into this one. Somewhere here we would expect a turn around. It reacted to that 25.4 cent level we discussed before. That was quite a relevant one within the box, a level of interest, a level to watch, because it was the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension of the A wave, a typical target. Yeah, and now it's basically just sort of waiting if price can show something that we have as evidence, or that we have some evidence that this E wave, the last wave of the triangle, has started. So I think a turnaround, or at least recovery rally, could happen at any time. We also have, looking at the candle here, quite a rejection at this support. But bear in mind that the D wave can, without a problem, go down to 23 cents if we lose the 25.3 cent level again. So for me, that's relevant support, even though the wick did go down all the way to 23.8 cents already. But 25.3 cent, that 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension level remains important support, because it is the level. You can see the 4-hour chart, price never really closed below it. So that's relevant. And if we break below that level, I would assume that we get back to that 23 cent level, because this is another target for a D wave of a triangle. We calculated all of these in previous videos. Technically, a D wave can go all the way down to the low of the B wave, but this is sort of the area where you would expect a reaction. We had 3 levels, either up here, or the 25.3 cent level, or down here at 23. So these are the relevant support levels. We had so far reactions to all of these, but now it's for the market to decide if enough buy interest can be generated to, well, cause that rally. This is not necessarily going to be an aggressive rally. I'm looking at the potential of a corrective rally. This is typically against the higher level trend and is most likely embedded in this long sideways correction. What would be a first signal that this E wave has started? First of all, an E wave is going to be an A, B, C structure. And we need to get some kind of an understanding when we, or what would be the signal to indicate that it has started. Well, I typically like to use as a first indication the beginning. So if price can break above the beginning of that sell-off candle that we had, let's just identify where that was. This is basically where all the volume started. Yeah, and it's here. It is this one. So we're talking about something, a break above, it would need to be a sustained break above 27 cents. Better signal would be above 27.5, the last swing high. So 27 cents and 27.5 cents are going to be important breakout points, in my opinion, that would signal the onset of the E wave. There is not much more to talk about at this stage, I think. I think it's all a bit of waiting to see when a low could be in. Obviously, we are oversold, we know that. And eventually, we are still looking for another bear market low. Price can convince us that something more bullish is going on, but then we would need to see a break above 38 cents. That would be bullish. Would also generate some momentum to the upside, I think, in the yellow wave count, but the yellow wave count is currently not believed because of the structure. It's corrective, right? That's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.